All right, here's the deal. I've got two of the new HomePod minis here. If you're trying to understand which color you should buy, I can't answer that question for you. I don't know which color you should buy. Do you like yellow? Do you like orange? Do you like the old original black ones, or do you like white? Who the hell knows? I don't know what your favorite color is. They're colors. Decide what you want. Look at the color and decide. I didn't even buy the blue one because I didn't like the blue one. And I don't have a white one because I got rid of it. I had a white one. I don't need it anymore, so I got rid of it. But if you're here to see these two new colors, which is the orange and how it compares to an actual orange, you've come to the right video. Or maybe you want to see a yellow one and how the yellow compares to a lemon. Well, if that's the video you were looking for, my God, is this the video for you. All right, let's start with the orange one here. So we'll just slide this sucker out. Oh, look at that sucker. Looking pretty, ooh, I don't know if I like that white, to be honest. A little creamsicle, if you ask me. Not terrible. I always say the best way to get a 20-watt charger from Apple is to buy a HomePod, because it's like getting a charger with a speaker, which is a nice little extra touch from Apple. How nice of them to include a HomePod with the charger. We don't get it with our iPhone, but we get it with these hunks of junk. I kid, I kind of like the HomePod, it's pretty nice. So anyways, this is the orange one. Looks kind of creamsicle colored because it has the white on top compared to the old black one. Look how dirty that sucker is. Compared to the black one, I don't know, I think black and orange kind of would have been cool, but you know, that's Apple for you. Throw some white in where it doesn't need to be. There's something extra poetic about that, but I'm not sure what it is. All right, wait, we got to compare orange to orange. It's Apple orange. It's not real orange. It's not orange like an orange. It's orange like Apple's decision with orange, because Apple's colors don't ever really match what the color actually is. Okay, toss that one aside for a sec. Now we got the yellow, lemon yellow, banana yellow, whatever you want to call it. Same deal here. We just jiggle this out. My cheeks jiggled so much doing that. I didn't even notice the sticker on the other one. Let's go ahead and give a peel. Oh, look at that little Apple logo. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, they do look nice in these colors. Same deal, white on the top, just like the orange one. So you can see them side by side there. Let me peel the sticker off this one too. Oh yeah. Look at these side by side. There's someone outside just banging away. Look at that. Looking pretty sweet, to be honest. All right, let's compare it to an actual lemon now. So lemon, lemon, lemon. This is a lot closer match, if you ask me. Yellow really does look like yellow, whereas orange looks more like, I don't know. It's like tech orange, right? It's not real orange, it's tech orange. I was hoping the orange would actually look a lot closer to the AirPods Max, and it does look like they are, but this is called pink. They call these pink and this is orange, but they kind of look the same. And to complicate it even more, we have the orange iPad mini case, which is still just a little bit off from the orange of the HomePod mini, but it's close to the AirPods Max, I guess, right? It's getting real messy in here now. Obviously, this isn't a review of the HomePods themselves, but I've had this one for like 4 or 5 months. And honestly, the sound is great for the cost. I'm not a big fan of Siri, but if you have a MacBook, you have an iPad, if you have anything with AirPlay, all that kind of stuff, I do like the ecosystem of this. This also supports mesh, so if you use mesh accessories like light bulbs and stuff, I find this is a lot faster than a Google Home Mini or an Alexa. So if you do want to get into a smart speaker, I do think these are probably some of the better ones on the market, and now they just come in some fun colors. No. So personally, I'm not sure which one I'm going to return yet. Probably keep them both, to be honest, throw them in the bathroom or something like that. But yeah, this is the new HomePod minis. They kind of look like coconuts. Kind of looks like a bra, to be honest. But that's enough HomePod shenanigans. Hope you like this video. I don't know why the heck you're searching which color you should buy. Just like go on the website and see which color you should buy. It's pretty self-explanatory. Do you like the way it looks? Buy it. I didn't like the blue, so I didn't buy the blue. I don't have white anymore because I thought it would get dirty. The black gets dirty pretty easily. Well, that's something to know. But otherwise, just pick your favorite damn color. Why you waste your time YouTube searching questions you can answer yourself? My name is Patrick Massey. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions about any of this, lemons, oranges, anything at all, let me know. Otherwise, you will see or hear me next time I feel like making a video. Peace.